El Segundo, California. El Segundo is a city in Los Angeles County, California, United States. El Segundo, from Spanish, means the second. Located on the Santa Monica Bay, it was incorporated on January 18, 1917, and part of the South Bay Cities Council of Governments. The population was 16,654 at the 2010 census, slightly up from 16,033 at the 2000 census. History. The El Segundo and Los Angeles coastal area was first settled by the Tongva, or Gabrielnos, Native American tribes thousands of years ago. The area was once a part of Rancho Sazal Redondo, Round Willow Patch Ranch. Rancho Sazal Redondo extended from Playa del Rey in the north to Redondo Beach in the south. Originally a Mexican land grant owned by Antonio Ignacio Avila, the rancho was later purchased by a Scottish baronet named Sir Robert Burnet. After his return to Scotland, the property was purchased by then-current manager of the rancho, Daniel Freeman. Daniel Freeman sold portions of the rancho to several persons. George H. Peck owned the 840 acres, 3.4 square kilometers, of land the Chevron refinery now sits on. Peck also developed land in neighboring El Porto where a street still bears his name. The city earned its name, the second in Spanish, as it was the site of the second Standard Oil refinery on the west coast. The first was at Richmond in Northern California, when Standard Oil of California purchased the 840 acres, 3.4 square kilometers, of farmland in 1911. The city was incorporated in 1917. The Standard Oil Company was renamed Chevron in 1984. The El Segundo refinery entered its second century of operation in 2011. The Douglas Aircraft Company plant in El Segundo was one of the major aircraft manufacturing facilities in California during World War II. It was one of the major producers of SBD Dauntless dive bombers, which achieved fame in the Battle of Midway. The facility, now operated by Northrop Grumman, is still an aircraft plant. Geography. The north and south boundaries of the town are Los Angeles International Airport and Manhattan Beach, with the Pacific Ocean as the western boundary. Its eastern boundary is roughly Aviation Boulevard. El Segundo is located at 33°5517 and 118°2422 W/33.92139° and 118.40611° W/33.92139, -118.40611, 33.9211313, 118.4062333. According to the United States Census Bureau, the city has a total area of 5.5 square miles, 14 square kilometers, over 99% of which is land. Guinness World Records has listed El Segundo as having the most roads with a hill or grade. Demographics. 2010. The 2010 United States Census reported that El Segundo had a population of 16,654. The population density was 3,047.9 people per square mile, 1,176.8/km superscript 2. The racial makeup of El Segundo was 12,997, 78.0%. White, 69.1%. Non-Hispanic white, 337, 2.0%. African American, 68, 0.4%. Native American, 1,458, 8.8%. Asian, 38, 0.2%. Pacific Islander, 799, 4.8%, from other races, and 957, 5.7%, from two or more races. Hispanic or Latino people of any race were 2,609 persons, 15.7%. The census reported that 16,578 people, 99.5% of the population, lived in households, 66, 0.4%, lived in non-institutionalized group quarters, and 10, 0.1%, were institutionalized. There were 7,085 households, out of which 2,183, 30.8%, had children under the age of 18 living in them, 3,050, 43.0%, were opposite-sex married couples living together, 729, 10.3%, had a female householder with no husband present, 326, 4.6%, had a male householder with no wife present. There were 369, 5.2%, unmarried opposite-sex partnerships. 2,254 households, 31.8%, were made up of individuals, and 570, 8.0%, had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 2.34. There were 4,105 families, 57.9% of all households. The average family size was 3.02. The population was spread out with 3,719 people, 22.3%, under the age of 18, 1,120 people, 6.7%, aged 18 to 24, 5,182 people, 31.1%, aged 25 to 44, 4,955 people, 29.8%, aged 45 to 64, and 1,678 people, 10.1%, who were 65 years of age or older. The median age was 39.2 years. For every 100 females, there were 99.4 males. For every 100 females age 18 and over, there were 98.8 males. There were 7,410 housing units at an average density of 1,356.1 per square mile, 523.6/km superscript 2, of which 3,034, 42.8%, were owner-occupied, and 4,051, 57.2%, were occupied by renters. The homeowner vacancy rate was 0.4%, the rental vacancy rate was 4.1%. 8,177 people, 49.1% of the population, lived in owner-occupied housing units, and 8,401 people, 50.4%, lived in rental housing units. According to the 2010 United States Census, El Segundo had a median household income of $84,341, with 4.8% of the population living below the federal poverty line. 2000. As of the 2000 census, the population density was 2,894.6 inhabitants per square mile, 1,117.4/km superscript 2. There were 7,261 housing units at an average density of 1,310.9 per square mile, 506.0/km superscript 2. The racial makeup of the city was 83.61% white, 1.17% black or African American, 0.47% Native American, 6.41% Asian, 0.29% Pacific Islander, 3.51% from other races, and 4.55% from two or more races. 11.01% of the population were Hispanic or Latino of any race. There were 7,060 households, out of which 28.1% had children under the age of 18 living with them, 41.5% were married couples living together, 10.0% had a female householder with no husband present, and 44.6% were non-families. Of all households, 34.3% were made up of individuals, and 7.5% had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 2.27 and the average family size was 3.00. In the city, the population was spread out with 22.7% under the age of 18, 6.2% from 18 to 24, 38.7% from 25 to 44, 22.9% from 45 to 64, and 9.5% who were 65 years of age or older. The median age was 36 years. For every 100 females, there were 98.7 males. For every 100 females age 18 and over, there were 96.0 males. The median income for a household in the city was $61,341, and the median income for a family was $74,007. Males had a median income of $52,486 versus $41,682 for females. The per capita income for the city was $33,996. About 3.1% of families and 4.6% of the population were below the poverty line, including 4.7% of those under age 18 and 6.0% of those age 65 or over. Economy. El Segundo has many aviation-related and petroleum-related industries and operations. In 2006, it won an Eddy Award for being the most business-friendly city in LA County. The name was adopted in 1911 when Chevron built its second refinery, El Segundo, which is Spanish for the second. This refinery is controversial for receiving significant quantities of their crude oil from the Amazon region of South America, more than 5,000 barrels per day. In 1928, William Mines, an immigrant from Canada, leased land for a flying field. In 1930, Los Angeles Municipal Airport, later Los Angeles International Airport, opened north of El Segundo. Its presence led to the concentration of aerospace and aviation-related firms in the El Segundo area. Many large aerospace companies have facilities in El Segundo, including Boeing, Raytheon, Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, Weil Laboratories, the Aerospace Corporation, and Aerojet Rocketdyne Holdings. The last two are headquartered there. It is also home to the Los Angeles Air Force Base and the Space and Missile Systems Center, SMC, which is responsible for space-related acquisition for the military. In addition to the Chevron oil refinery, El Segundo is located next to the Hyperion sewage treatment plant and the El Segundo power plant. The El Segundo power plant is operated by the American Energy Company NRG. In an effort to combine sustainable and environmentally friendly techniques with fossil power generation, NRG will create a new combined cycle power island, providing power for 240,000 households. The new power plant, slated to go online in 2013, will use two generators, a Siemens gas turbine and an additional steam turbine. Natural gas will drive the gas turbine, while the hot exhaust gases will generate steam for the steam turbine. The efficiency of the power plant will be increased up to 58%. A huge environmental advantage of this type of power plant is that in combustion, natural gas generates relatively little carbon dioxide compared to other fossil fuels. The current Boeing factory, the Boeing Satellite Development Center, was originally built by Nash Motors in 1946 and opened in 1948. In 1955, Hughes Aircraft Company purchased the 500,000 SQFT building. It was converted to build missiles and also served as a test facility. Toy manufacturer Mattel, AT&T Entertainment Hub, formerly DirecTV, Direct Technology Marketing Company PCM, Inc., and A-Mark Precious Metals are headquartered there, as well as sporting goods retailer Big 5 Sporting Goods and Stamps.com. Database company Teradata has a R&D facility in El Segundo as well. Prior to its dissolution, Unocal was headquartered in El Segundo. At one time MGM Grand Air had its headquarters in El Segundo. Film production companies are located in El Segundo, including Rhythm and Hughes Studios and Lightstorm Entertainment. The Los Angeles Times announced its newsroom would move from downtown Los Angeles to a 4.5-acre campus in El Segundo in the summer of 2018. Top employers. According to the city's 2017 Comprehensive Annual Financial Report, the top employers in the city are subsidiaries of companies. Nexon America, the North American branch of Korean online game publisher Nexon Co. Limited, has its offices in El Segundo. The North American branch of the Japanese video game publisher and developer Square Enix has its headquarters in El Segundo. The North American branch of Konami Digital Entertainment, a wholly owned subsidiary of Konami Corporation, and its headquarters in El Segundo. Due to its proximity to Los Angeles International Airport, El Segundo became the host of several offices of airlines. In 1979, the United Airlines Reservation Center, a two-story, $4.5 million, 55,000 square foot, 5,100 square meters, facility in the International Center, was scheduled to begin construction. Austin Co., a firm in Irvine, California, was to build the facility, which was scheduled for opening in May of that year. Japan Airlines operates its United States headquarters, which was moved from New York City to El Segundo in around 2003. At Suite 620 of 300 Continental Boulevard, Cathay Pacific has an office in El Segundo. The airline moved its North America headquarters to Greater Los Angeles in 1990, and the headquarters were situated in El Segundo until 2005. Air China operates its North American headquarters in the 13,000 square foot, 1,200 square meters, 2131 East Maple Avenue building, south of Los Angeles International Airport, in El Segundo. Its current North American headquarters opened with a ribbon-cutting ceremony and other festivities on Friday, March 26, 2010. The call center, reservations, marketing, and sales employees all moved into the building. The building includes a call center with space for 50 employees. When the building opened, half of the spaces had been filled. Air New Zealand operates its United States headquarters in El Segundo. Other airlines with offices in El Segundo include Turkish Airlines, Thai Airways, Air Tahiti Nui, Air Mexico, China Airlines, Emirates, EVA Air, and Singapore Airlines. Infineon Technologies acquired El Segundo-based company International Rectifier in 2015. Parks and Recreation. El Segundo has its own beach, as well as 3 public pools, including 2 outdoor pools open only during the summer months. The El Segundo Parks and Rec staff are the basis for the hit NBC program Parks and Recreation. El Segundo has 2 full-sized turf fields named Campus El Segundo Athletic Fields, which are open to the public. Government. Local government. According to the city's most recent comprehensive annual financial report, its various funds had $99.0 million in revenues, $91.0 million in expenditures, $206.5 million in total assets, $33.6 million in total liabilities, and $50.4 million in cash and investments. Management of the city and coordination of city services are provided by County and Federal Services. The Los Angeles County Department of Health Services operates the Curtis Tucker Health Center in Inglewood, serving El Segundo. The United States Postal Service operates the El Segundo Post Office at the Bay City's Annex Post Office at 2130 East Mariposa Avenue. State and federal representation. In the California State Legislature, El Segundo is in the 26th Senate District, represented by Democrat Ben Allen, and in the 62nd Assembly District, represented by Democrat Autumn Burke. In the United States House of Representatives, El Segundo is in California's 33rd Congressional District, represented by Democrat Ted Lieu. Education. The El Segundo Unified School District serves the residential district of El Segundo, west of Pacific Coast Highway. The school district was listed as one of the state's 29 academic outperformers by Standards & Poor's in 2005. Eastern El Segundo is part of the tax base for the Weisman School District and the Centinela Valley Union High School District, CVUSD. There are no residential areas in the eastern part of the city. This portion of the city includes corporate operations providing significant tax revenue to the districts. Vistamar School is a private school in El Segundo. Originally all of the city was located in the Weisman School District, which opened in 1896. When the Inglewood Union High School District, now known as the CVUSD, opened in 1905, its territory included the Weisman District. In 1912 the El Segundo School District opened, taking territory from the Weisman School District. The territory of the El Segundo District continued to be in the Inglewood Union District. On November 22, 1925 The El Segundo High School District was formed and El Segundo withdrew from the Inglewood Union District. Newspaper. The El Segundo Herald is the community newspaper for El Segundo. It was established in 1911, 6 years before the city was incorporated. It had its 100-year anniversary of service to the community in 2011. Transportation. State Route 1 passes through the city as Pacific Coast Highway, while Interstate 105 begins its journey at Sepulveda Boulevard, the continuation of State Route 1 north of El Segundo city limits, just outside the northern city limits of El Segundo, and heads east to Norwalk. Amtrak's El Segundo Bus Stop, ESG, is located at the Los Angeles County Metro Green Line Douglas Station and is serviced by Thruway Motor Coach. The stop is on Amtrak's 1C bus route that runs 4 times a day between Amtrak's Torrance Bus Stop, Alpine Village, and the Bakersfield Amtrak Station, where passengers transfer to and from trains on Amtrak's San Joaquin route. Passengers can also connect with Amtrak's Pacific Saflina route at the Van Nuys Amtrak Station. Los Angeles International Airport is located immediately to the north of El Segundo. In 2014, an air quality study found harmful ultrafine particles from the takeoffs and landings at Los Angeles International Airport to be of much greater magnitude than previously thought. In popular culture, El Segundo High School has a presence in the movie industry. Many films and television broadcasts were shot at the high school. The major movies and television broadcasts are shown below, in order from recent releases to old releases. Points of interest. Notable people.